Hello everyone and welcome to the Volvox community. I'm Eleftheria and today and in this video we will have a beautiful interview. We are going to have a gesture controlled humanoid robot using Python, OpenCV and Android. We're going to do this interview with Unes, which is the creator of it. Before we get started, don't forget to check out the description box. We will have all the links that we are going to be talking about, but also we are going to have all the Volvox link, so make sure that you follow us on social media as well as subscribe on this YouTube channel. Without further ado, let's get started. Hi Yunus, how are you?
I'm Unes. I'm a student and self-developer passionate about robotics and human control interaction. I built a project called GIR, which stands on Gesture Interaction Robot. It is a humanoid robot you can control with hand gestures, claps, or even your phone.
Would you like to share a little bit more about that?
Yes, you can control the robot with your phone on your hands. For example, a remote, and you just need to send serial commands for robots. And the serial commands can be contents to send with your computer or mobile. This robot actually works with Arduino UNO board. The main board of this robot is Arduino UNO R3. It controls all the robots, and it has a microcontroller that you can program it with C++ program language. And I also added and uses different modules like servo motors and a DF player mini and also memory cards with a plus speaker to make this project complete.
What was your inspiration for this? Why did you build it?
I actually built my dream, my childhood dream, that I every time try to make something hardware plus software together. I always love to work with physics, not just coding or something else. That working with the physics makes me feel happy, motivative, and that's it. I have done a lots of project, but also a small project before than it. But it is the complete version of robot I have did for now.
I see. Do you have the robot with you? Is there any chance we can see it?
Yes, I bring my robot here. You can check it out. And this is about 15 centimeter high and made it by myself. And I only use a cardboard for it, physics or body, and use a hot glue and simple house tools for this, not a very expensive tools. Now, I want to tell you and show you how it really works. It just needs double clap to get a start and become run. Just need one double clap to turn it on. This become turn on, and its eyes are on with LEDs, and now it's ready to send commands for make some actions. For example, let me control the robot with my phone. At first, I connect my mobile phone Bluetooth to the robot Bluetooth module. This is a remote that I use for my robot, and it is a mobile application. For example, now my robot becomes turn off because it automatically turn off after 16 seconds if no one use it. Now for try it on again, I just double clap to turn it on, and now I control with my phone. For example, I can manually turn on and off the robot with my mobile. Let me connect it. Now it's become connected. My Bluetooth is connected to the robot. Now I manually can control it on and off. And for physically movement, for example, for right hand, I click right hand. Robot is talking and also and acting. Right and down. Left and up. Left and down. And for it, look to the right. Look to the left. I'm also like this. And also the body is body can move. For example, go to right. I turn right. It turn right and came back and turn left. It also has a introduction option like this. I'm not sure you heard it or no, but
Yes, I can hear it. It's a little bit low, but I can hear it. It's really cool.
okay. And I also can control the robot with my voice and just say, for example, turn to the right, turn to the right. This act. Use my voice messages to control the robot. Raise your right hand, lower your right hand, look to the left, look straight ahead, and that's it.
That's really cool. That's very beautiful. Nice. You've done an incredible job. Do you plan to add any more features to that?
Yes, for sure. For my future plans are to make everything automatically, not just controlled by remote or another tools. Just with your speeches, or you can control your house completely with your voice, not need to any remote or any other things. And that's why, and that makes me so motivated. The robotic felt makes me feels me free. Look, it automatically off.
This is very impressive. I don't remember seeing anything similar. So you really did a good job. To build this, can you talk a little bit about the code, about the software? How did you do it? Did you use any AI tools to do the code or anything like that?
Yes, of course. The Arduino board and the main board of this robot is Arduino UNO or 3, which code with as coding language. It's took me about 2 or 3 months to complete the code or make this version of this robot. And also, I can control the robot with my laptop or computer with Python script that I didn't that I can show my hand gesture at the camera, and it detect my hand detection, and it's do something like when I show my right hand at the camera, robot turn up something like this. For example, I can use my robot with computer and with mobile phone, but with computer you need Python to run the script code, and also with computer is more impressive for me. That's it's and the code part was I have some challenges in the code part because coding was uh, some difficult for me to run for this robot, and this is the big project I have done with Arduino board on this robot.
For how long have you been working on this project?
Absolutely. When I start to build this robot, I haven't any road map or a plan, a complete plan to do this. That all mixed with my dreams and what was in my mind. And it was a dream to I complete this robot and works like this. And that's why took me about 2 or 3 months.
That's really good.
And also the body are not uses any 3D printer or any art things. I only made the robot body with cardboard and simple house tools, and the designs also made by myself. The code, the design, all things made by myself, and that's it.
As we are ending this interview, is there anything else that you would like to add for this project that you showed us right now? Or are you working on any other projects as well?
Yes, I absolutely work on other project, new project after I finish this, because the robotic field is a never-ending way for me. Always do something new and want to learn more than what I actually am. And I also work on another project with my team at school, and
Mm.
I have a next that's do by myself. I no team connected, and that's it's one is underwater ship, underwater project, and one of an other project is that's also based with Arduino board, and it's automatically work. That's not a robot. That is a house automation project.
Nice. That's really cool. Can you share anything else about this house automation project?
Yes, the house automation project was my second project after this, and also I make my oven room automated with Arduino board, used a C++ coding and just C++, no Python or scripts. That's I can use or control my lamps or a door, and anything that needs physically movement with just my voice, and send comment with my voice with my phone. Just can send comment with my phone, and for example, I say turn on the lamp, the lamp turn on automatically. Just detect my voice, and it's that.
Perfect.
Thank you.
Okay. Thank you very much for this interview. It was lovely having you here, as I said in the beginning of this video. And for the folks that are watching us right now, you can check the description box for all the links. There will be the GitHub, so you can check the project on your own. And yeah, that's it. If anyone wants to ask anything in the comments, feel free to do so. We would like for you if you could subscribe and check our social media. And see you soon with another video. Thank you very much, Unes, for doing this with me.
Thank you for watching this video.